Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the WhatsApp desktop application is not launching properly on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do, just right click on a blank area of your taskbar, select Task Manager. Now go underneath Background Processes. If you see anything with the name WhatsApp, you want to right click on it and end task, or select the end task button down here. So again, you want to end all WhatsApp processes. And then once you're done with that, you just would scroll through here, make sure they are all turned off. Again, it would be under the background processes. And then once you are done with that, you would go ahead and just close out of Task Manager and then attempt to relaunch WhatsApp, and that should be able to resolve the problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.